Hi, I'm Lorelie and I contacted GBC to do the exterior of my house because they came so recommended as one of the couple of people in the whole county that do the cool coat, Tex-cote for my house. I got so involved with how beautiful the house looked that all of a sudden, after having the exterior done, well, then I had to have the windows done, and then I had the insulation done inside. And when Charles came out to first sell me on the painting of the house, he just couldn't say enough about the people and the company he worked for. And every single person that's come out from the company was so proud and wanted to make sure you were as happy with the results as I am. Every day I had the project manager come out. He came at some point during the day to follow up on every single step of the house update. And I think that it stands for itself. I don't need to say anything. Look at my beautiful house. It's fantastic. All the neighbors are jealous. I can't say enough about the quality of the workmanship. My windows are beautiful. The paint is guaranteed. It shines. It's like a wedding cake. It's like those fondant wedding cakes. It's all so slick and beautiful, and don't have to worry because the painting is guaranteed for 50 years. My windows are guaranteed for double lifetime. The insulation, I want to give a big shout out to Steve, who was our project manager. Steve has been phenomenal, checking everything along the way. Any little dream or desire, he made it work. He found us a way to do it. And at the very end, when I thought I had exhausted everything that you did, I happened to mention, oh, but the flooding downstairs, it was rainy season. He goes, we do gutters too. And he had somebody come, and I don't have just the standard ugly gutter that you see. I don't know if you can see behind, but they actually are an accent to the house. And then they worked with me to get the rain barrels set up. So I'm energy efficient, I'm collecting water. The gutters actually add to my house. So you guys have done everything exterior that I could ever want with the house. And Steve, thank you, you were the best.